Forced induction, the realm where internal combustion engines get turned up to 11, unleashing more power, torque, and heart-pounding thrills than naturally aspirated engines ever could. But have you ever wondered what truly separates a screaming supercharger from a whistling turbo? Is one really better than the other? And if so, why? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join me as we delve deep into the world of turbochargers versus superchargers, exploring the intricate engineering behind these mechanical marvels and ultimately crowning the true king of forced induction. Are you Team Turbo or Team Supercharger? Let us know your thoughts. Before we dive into the battlefield between turbos and superchargers, let's take a moment to appreciate why forced induction has become such a sought-after solution for those seeking to unleash the full potential of their engines. Simply put, it's all about getting more air into the engine, which results in a bigger bang. When an engine breathes in more air, it can combust more fuel, generating more power. This is where our two contenders come into play. But before we reveal them, let's start with the basics. Both turbos and superchargers are designed to force more air into an engine's cylinders, effectively boosting its power output. They achieve this by altering the air-fuel mixture, allowing for a more complete combustion and consequently more power. Now it's time to meet the fighters. First up, the turbocharger, an exhaust-driven marvel of engineering. As the engine runs, exhaust gases stream out of the tailpipe, carrying with them wasted energy. Instead of letting this energy go to waste, the turbocharger captures it, propelling a turbine, which in turn spins a compressor. The compressor draws in fresh air and compresses it, forcing it into the engine's cylinders. By the way, this process is similar to how a jet engine works. What sets the turbocharger apart is its ability to operate on exhaust energy, offering a potentially more efficient path to boosted performance. However, this efficiency comes with a caveat known as turbo lag, a delay between when you step on the accelerator and when the turbocharger spools up, delivering that extra oomph. Modern engineering advancements have significantly reduced this lag, making it less of an issue than in the past, and now introducing the supercharger, the powerhouse that relies on immediate mechanical energy. Unlike the turbocharger, the supercharger doesn't wait for exhaust gases to do the work. It's directly connected to the engine, drawing its power from the crankshaft belt or chain. This direct link means there's no lag. The moment you press the accelerator, the supercharger kicks in, providing that instant boost. Now there are different types of superchargers, each with its own strengths. Roots superchargers use a pair of meshing helical gears to compress air, delivering high torque at low RPMs. Twin-screw superchargers feature two sets of angled helical teeth, providing a more consistent and smoother power delivery. Centrifugal superchargers, on the other hand, resemble a turbocharger in that they use an impeller and a volute to compress air, offering a more linear power band. With both contenders in the ring, it's time to analyze their performance characteristics. While both turbochargers and superchargers can significantly boost a vehicle's power output, the way they deliver that power differs. A turbocharger's power curve often peaks at higher RPMs, taking advantage of the exhaust gas's energy as the engine revs. This makes turbos particularly well suited for high-performance vehicles where top-end power is prioritized. On the other hand, superchargers shine when it comes to low-end torque. Their direct mechanical connection to the engine means they can provide an immediate boost in torque at lower RPMs, making them ideal for applications where quick, off-the-line acceleration is crucial. To truly determine the champion, we must delve deeper into the technical specifications of each system. Horsepower, a measure of an engine's power output, is a critical factor in assessing the performance of both turbochargers and superchargers. Typically, turbochargers have the potential to achieve higher peak horsepower due to their exhaust-driven efficiency. However, the actual horsepower gains depend on various factors, including engine size and the design of the forced induction system itself. In contrast, superchargers, being mechanically linked to the engine, generally deliver a more linear horsepower curve, providing a consistent power delivery throughout the RPM range. Torque, on the other hand, is a measure of an engine's rotational force, and it plays a crucial role in determining a vehicle's acceleration and towing capabilities. Superchargers often take the crown when it comes to delivering high levels of torque, especially at lower RPMs, making them popular choices for muscle cars and heavy-duty applications. Turbochargers, while capable of producing high torque, may exhibit a flatter torque curve due to the lag associated with the exhaust-driven turbine. But the battle doesn't end at horsepower and torque. We must also consider the overall power delivery characteristics. Turbochargers tend to offer a more top-heavy power band, meaning that the peak power is achieved at higher RPMs, which is ideal for performance-oriented vehicles. Superchargers, with their direct mechanical connection to the engine, provide a more linear and consistent power delivery across the RPM range, making them suitable for a wider range of applications. In the realm of forced induction, achieving the desired outcome often involves striking a balance between the pros and cons of each system. Consider the engine's intended application. For instance, in a daily driver, a supercharger's instant throttle response and consistent torque may be more desirable, whereas in a drag racing scenario, a turbocharger's higher peak power might take priority. Additionally, packaging constraints and maintenance requirements come into play. Turbochargers, with their external exhaust-driven setup, may offer more flexibility in terms of packaging, but require more frequent oil changes due to the added complexity. Superchargers, being integrated into the engine bay, can be more challenging to package, but benefit from the same oil that lubricates the engine. As the battle reaches its climax, it's important to note that there isn't a clear-cut winner. The choice between a turbocharged and supercharged engine often depends on the specific requirements and priorities of the application. Each system has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and the best choice will vary depending on the intended use. In recent years, the lines between turbochargers and superchargers have started to blur with the introduction of hybrid forced induction systems. These innovative setups combine elements of both turbochargers and superchargers, leveraging the benefits of each to deliver a truly remarkable performance. One example is the twin-scroll turbocharger with a twin-screw supercharger, which provides instant throttle response and eliminates turbo lag while delivering impressive power output. As the automotive world evolves, we can expect to see more hybrid forced induction systems pushing the boundaries of performance. Ultimately, the quest for more power and thrilling driving experiences will continue to drive innovation in this field. While the debate between turbos and superchargers may never have a definitive answer, one thing is clear. Both systems offer incredible ways to enhance an engine's performance and provide drivers with unforgettable experiences behind the wheel. Whether you're a gearhead who loves the raw power of a turbocharged engine or appreciate the instant gratification of a supercharged ride, one thing is for sure, forced induction will continue to push the limits of automotive performance. And that's it for today's episode. But before you go, let us know which team you're on, Team Turbo or Team Supercharger. Share your experiences and let the friendly debate continue in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of turbochargers and superchargers. Until next time, keep boosting and keep on trucking.